Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Samsung Tab A11. So, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack right close to the charging port, and we're going to start off with the wired headphones. So, now we're going to talk about the wired headphones, then we're going to go over to the adapter, and then we're going to go over to the Bluetooth. So we have the jack right here. As you guys can see, I have the cable, and first all we have to do is plug it in and make sure that everything works. So you need to make sure that the cable is actually good and that everything is okay. So let me just plug it here. As you guys can see, everything should be okay. Now we have it plugged in, and if you check the headphones and you made sure that they're working, then try and test them with another device, and then check the headphone jack on this device for any visible damage or debris inside. So you need to make sure that it is not dirty and that everything here is actually clean. You guys can use the soft brush to clean it out, and then what you guys can do is restart the tablet. So hold the power button and you will see this menu pop up. Now what else can you guys do? You guys can go over to the control center and here click on the power button and also click restart and tap again to restart the tablet. So now our tablet is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second. Now the tablet is starting, and what can we do next? We can try another pair of headphones. So now we're testing a different pair of headphones and not the original ones, to make sure that the original headphones does not have any issues. So then we can just move over and check for the software updates to fix any issues that might be there. So go over to the settings. Now let's swipe down until we see the software update. It's almost at the bottom, and right here we need to click on download and install. So it's checking for updates automatically. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of issues. So now let's move on for the USB-C headphones. First, I would recommend cleaning the charging port. It's where the 3.5mm jack is. Then restart the tablet. So this is what we did. And if you're using an adapter, then I would recommend using an original one or a certified adapter, because the cheap ones, they are much worse in the quality and sometimes they may not be working themselves. So now what you guys want to do is update the software next. So this is where we do that. And for the Bluetooth headphones, this is where we need to go over to the connections. It's right up top here, and then make sure that we turn the Bluetooth on. Then we need to go over and disable it and then enable it again. So now everything should be working. If not, then I would recommend forgetting and repairing the headphones. And after you do that, you need to make sure that the headphones are charged fully, because when they're not, then that might cause the issues. I've had my problem with them, and I had to charge them to 100% for both the earbuds and 100% for the case. So after that, I would recommend avoiding the device interference. So make sure that your headphones are not connected to any other device, because that might also cause the issue of them not connecting with the Bluetooth. And that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.